What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today's video, we're gonna be throwing some new wheels on Josh's STI. He's super excited about it. It's gonna be a two-part video. One is for ceramic coating the wheels, and the second part is gonna be putting them on. So right now we're gonna test fit the wheels, make sure they fit on the car the way he likes it, and then we're gonna ceramic coat it if we like the way it fits. So he brought us some Starbucks. We're gonna grab something to eat, and then we're gonna get to work. Not sure how well they show up on camera, but I was actually considering getting these before I went with the Rays. It was between these and the Rays. And now that I see them, I feel like I wouldn't have been disappointed if I would have went with these. There you go. Push all the way in. Not gonna lie, that looks really good. So these wheels are 18 by 9.5. The tires are 255/40. And we're gonna see when we lower it. We don't know if this is gonna be an issue here hitting the wheel well. Hopefully it's not, but we will let you guys know. All right, so we got the wheels on. Now, actually put the center caps on. You want to do that?
No, I want to test it.
All right, we're gonna test the clearance out right now. He's a little nervous on the clearance. These look so good. They look really good. All right, don't drop it, bud. Hold on.
A lot of room, bud.
Why are you crying, bud?
Dude, look at
you, man. Always crying, dude.
Wheels, bud.
Dude, you were so nervous.
Dude, I was nervous.
Oh, look at that. They clear. What you want to do is stick your hand in the back, though. Make sure the wheel isn't touching that side of the wheel well. Like all the way back there, yeah, on both sides.
Nope.
Nowhere?
Nope.
So it's all clear. These look good.
Yeah, these look good.
So it's funny because he was told not to run 255/40s because there would be rubbing issues, but from what it looks like, they look fine. We're definitely gonna take them out for a spin. We're gonna put the other two on, take it out for a spin and test it out, and then we'll let you guys know. But for some reason, we were told that for the 19 STI, these were not recommended, but they look amazing. So we recommend them so far. I don't know how well it shows up on camera, but right now the car is so slanted because of how bigger the tires on the driver's side are than the stock ones. But it's pretty funny. Looks really good though. We're gonna go ahead and do the other side right now and go test it out. Feel smoother?
Yeah.
Well guys, I wanted to keep this video short. As you can see, the wheels fit amazing and he loves them. The one thing I would say, it does look like the wheels do stick out a little bit further than the tire. So if anything, we would maybe recommend getting like 265 or 275s so that the wheel isn't sticking out so much, making it vulnerable. Like if you hit a curb, it's not gonna hit the tire, it's gonna hit the wheel. But some people like that look, but just wanted to give you a heads up on that. We did ceramic coat the wheels. I should have a link for that video somewhere up here, so make sure to check that out if you're interested. As always guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks.